Hey everyone, welcome back to Quick Learn. We need Node.js, the foundation of any Next.js project. Open your browser and go to the official Node.js website at nodejs.org. To download Node.js, click on the button Download Node.js LTE and then install it. Next up, we need an IDE, or Integrated Development Environment. My personal favorite is Visual Studio Code. It's lightweight, powerful, and packed with features perfect for Next.js development. Let's download VS Code. I have installed VS Code and created directory Next.js video. Let's open terminal to VS Code, and then let's go to the document of Next.js. Let's click on Start button. When we click on Installation, then we can see script npx create next app at latest. Copy it and paste it to the terminal of the VS Code. Press Y to proceed. I want to create apps in my Next.js under video folder. So, I am clicking dot. Would you like to use TypeScript? Click No. Would you like to use ESLint? Click No. Would you like to use Tailwind CSS? Click Yes. Would you like your code inside a source directory? Click Yes. Would you like to use App Router? Click Yes. Would you like to use TurboPack for Next.dev? Click No. Would you like to customize the import alias? Click No. After this, our Next.js apps is installed. Let's run our project. Write npm run dev. Copy the link and paste it to the browser. This is our welcome page. Let's clear the code first. And let's write Hello World in H1 tag. Save it and open the browser. We can see Hello World in the browser. And that's a wrap for today's video. You've successfully set up your Next.js environment and created your very first Hello World app. I hope this was simple and easy to follow. So, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, give it a thumbs up and drop a comment below letting me know how your setup went. Thanks for watching, stay curious, and I'll see you tomorrow with more Next.js magic.